Did you know that the average employee loses or switches their jobs about 8 to 9 times in their lifetime? If you'd like to learn more about how you can roll over some of your retirement assets into a tax-deferred bucket, we can share that in this video that Christian does an amazing job in describing.
Do you currently have a 401k, 403b, or a simple plan with a previous employer? Whether you lost or quit a job last week or 10 years ago, you can roll over the money you have in any of these accounts without being penalized. Although you have many options to choose from, here are 5 reasons why you'd want to choose an index annuity. Reason number 1, your principal is guaranteed. So if you roll $250,000 into an index annuity, your money is guaranteed to never drop below that amount unless you withdraw from it. Reason number 2, it's indexed. So if the market goes up, so does your money. And if the market goes down, then your money and any gains from prior years get locked in. Reason number 3, your gains go tax deferred. Reason number 4, you have the option to receive lifetime income at retirement even if your balance drops to 0. Reason number 5, you can withdraw up to 10% each year with no penalty to cover the cost of things that might pop up. Then after your surrender period, whether you chose 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, you can withdraw as much as you want without any penalties. So if you want to take back control of your money from a previous employer and place it into your own index annuity, also known as personal pension, then contact our home office at 888-350-5396 or reach us at our website tfawealthplanning.com. A good opportunity only becomes great when you act upon it. So get with the person that sent you this video. Have a great day.
If you'd like to learn more about how much income protection or life insurance you should have, go ahead and click this video right here on an acronym called DIME. If you'd like to learn more about living benefits inside of your current life insurance policy, hopefully you have those, click right here on this link right there.